So this is my lemongrass plant, and I've been asked several times how I wrap it up for giving away as gifts. So you should take and you can wrap it around your hand like this, or you can just bend it back and forth on itself like that. And then after it's bent back and forth, you've got a little package. Take your hand and you start wrapping it. I take my index finger from this hand and I wrap it around like that, tight. I take the end, as you can see here, the end, and I put it underneath that finger so that it can pull it through and it will make a knot on itself. Pull it tightly. And that finger pulls the end through and I can pull it tightly. You have to wrap it all the way once before you can put that finger on. And it will dry all on its own, and it's still just as good once it's dry. 2 bundles.